Looking at it this way, it is a carrot pendant. Turn it over, and it is a cute storage bag. It can hold earphones and other small items. The whole thing consists of single crochets, suitable for beginners. Follow the tutorial, and let's learn together. Double strand crochet magic ring start. Pull the yarn through to make 1. Connect the first round, crochet 6 single crochets. After finishing, remove the loop, pull this yarn tail tight. After finishing, find the first single crochet and insert. Pull the yarn through to slip stitch. In this way, the first round is completed. Because the stitches of this yarn material are not very clear, everyone must use a stitch marker after the first stitch. Chain 1, crochet the second round. The pattern for the second round is to crochet 2 single crochets in every stitch. After finishing, there are 24 stitches in total. Third round, chain 1. This round crochet 12 single crochets without increasing or decreasing. Everyone go and complete this round yourself. Fourth round, chain 1. First crochet 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, crochet a single crochet increase. This way 2 stitches per set, we crochet 6 sets. After finishing, continue to crochet 1 round of single crochets. Sixth round, first chain 1, crochet 2 single crochets. In the third stitch, crochet a single crochet increase. This way 3 stitches per set, crochet 6 sets. After finishing, from the 7th round to the 10th round, crochet 24 single crochets, without increasing or decreasing. Everyone complete these few rounds. 11th round, first chain 1, crochet 3 single crochets. The fourth stitch, crochet a single crochet increase. This way 4 stitches per set, crochet 6 sets. After finishing, from the 12th round to the 13th round, crochet 30 more single crochets. Crochet the 14th round, chain 1. First crochet 3 single crochets in sequence. After finishing, chain 9. Then skip 10 stitches in the middle without crocheting. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Continue to crochet single crochets. In total, need to crochet the remaining 17 single crochets. 15th round, first chain 1, crochet 3 single crochets on these single crochets. Next, we crochet on this chain. Crochet 10 single crochets in total. After finishing, the following stitches are crocheted 1 to 1. 16th round, chain 1, first crochet 3 single crochets, then crochet a decrease. A decrease is crocheting the front loops of 2 stitches. Pull the yarn through to crochet a decrease. Next is repeating the crochet 6 sets in total. 7. Tenth round, chain 1, first crochet 2 single crochets. Then crochet a decrease. This way 3. Stitches per set, crochet 6 sets. 18th round, chain 1, first crochet 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease. This way 2 stitches per set, crochet 6 sets. After finishing, our carrot main body is completed. The first round of the leaf is 5 single crochets. We crochet the second round, chain 1. Crochet single crochets. The second stitch, crochet an increase. The third stitch, crochet 2 single crochets. The last stitch, crochet an increase. After finishing, slip stitch with this first stitch. Okay. Next, we just crochet the length of this leaf. For small leaves, we crochet to the 5th round. For large leaves, crochet to the 6th round. That is sewing the leaves onto the top of this carrot. This is the longest one. We first place it in the middle like this, then just sew it on. Well, then just sew these on both sides. In this way, it is completed. Additionally, crochet a length of chain stitches. Thread through from 2 different stitches, then the yarn tail is inside. We just tie a knot to fix it. This small carrot earphone bag is completed.